Wayne's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick update. As you all know, I had gone along and dropped the diff out because I have rust in the floors where it's been badly repaired. So as you can see, like straight down there, that's one area, for instance, and that. But I've been doing this area here, and I have rust in both of these corners. So I've dropped the tow bar out completely. Just got to find somewhere to store it now. But I have all this pitting along here. I've actually got 1, 2, 3 holes there, and really bad pitting. Now I'm not 100% sure. Like, the rest of it underneath is okay. This top section here is pitted a bit as well, but you're not going to really see that once I've got the top floor on, because basically this area I'm just going to be storing my tools and all that sort of stuff in, and that. So I'm thinking I might just cut that section there out along there, and then put another small section back in, but I'm not too sure yet. But now I've got that off, I can get there and I can make up a little panel for here, which won't be overly too hard. That hole there will be staying there because that hole is the hole that for the for the license plate light, so I'm going to keep that hole there, and I'm just going to, wherever it is, re-put it back in through there, do it properly. Now there is a lot of mess in there, so I've got to clean that up and see if I can save the hinge, which I should be able to. There is, once again, I have got a hole there, and there is a fair bit of pitting in along the back of that, and a fair bit down along there as well. So, but that's that. I have got this bit cut out to place in there. It's really a pain in the ass, that nothing lines up very well, but that's okay. I can weld along the top of that, and then I can shape it as I go. And yeah, so because I'm going to at least weld it in that area, like so. Get it in on the corner, welded as well, and then once that's welded, then I can fold it around and go from there. Alright, so that's that bit. So that will be another video for tomorrow. Sorry everyone. Now, you might be wondering why. Now, as you can see, I found another body repair. Now this body filler is, like I said, it's not 25, not 30 years old. It's only 2006, so it's not that old. It's gone and done the body filler, then over, Actually, this one's probably a bit older, actually, looking at this one. Because this one actually has the, it's actually been done over, like it's got factory paint over the top of the body filler, and then it's got the British Racing Green, like that colour there, and then it's got primer and all that sort of stuff again, and then you got the colour that they use now. Yeah, that will come out, and I'll see what's in behind there after I've finished fixing that side. But the thing was, I wanted to show you the reasons why I took this out, was so I can get in, so then I can finish in behind here, because there's a hole there, which is the section framework for underneath there. So I'm going to attempt to make the in a bit there, and that hole is factory, that one. Go up and around there and try and fix that as well. Finish welding in behind there, and then clean all that off a bit. And yeah, so once that bit's done, then I'll attack that side there and the two corners, and then once that's done, I will cut out this section here, along here, and then I'll make that section there up. Just need a little plate there, a few holes there, so we'll do the same thing there, make that section there up, and one more hole there, and that. So once I've done that, and then we'll probably tackle and clean up all in here, take this section off, undo all the spot welds, mud flaps are coming off, this section here, which is in the wagon and the sedan, the spare wheel well, so the spare wheel, that is shaped like that from factory, looking at that possibly. So I'll probably get there and flatten that out a bit more. I'll put a little bit of a lip in there with a drainage hole. That section there has got to be fixed and redone. So yeah, so basically I'm now going from the back of the car forward, and yeah, so then there's a lot of shit and crap in there as well. So as you can see, there's a hole there, so that needs to be fixed in there somehow. Some up in there as well, and that there, that's all filler. That's not supposed to be like that. That's just been slapped in there. So that whole section there is going to have to be redone somehow. Yeah. Alright then everyone. Thanks for watching. Just leave it there for now. So that was just a quick update, little update. Got the tow bar out. Cut the panel out to shape it. started cleaning up the spare tyre area. So yes, so just started cleaning that up. I'll seal that tonight, and yeah. Right then, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Don't forget, jump over to the Facebook page, like the Facebook page, and share it around. Grab a sticker as well if you'd like to help us out a bit, because yeah, going to need a lot more work now. Yeah. Right then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and till next time, stay safe, and cheerio for now.